Wine spillage can cause etching on concrete tanks, but with the right tools and a little work, the tank can be made to look virtually new again. To clean the tank, you'll need a chemically resistant apron, safety glasses, chemically resistant gloves, abrasive pads, an all-purpose pump sprayer, simple green cleanser, a pneumatic sander, sanding discs, abrasive discs, and some rags. First, wet down the tank entirely with undiluted simple green detergent. Scrub the tank in circular motions with an abrasive pad. Use extra force in areas of noticeable etching. And continue to apply simple green as needed to keep the tank wet. Then rinse with clear water. The next step is to deep clean the tank with an orbital sander. Remember to keep applying simple green as needed to keep the tank wet. After thoroughly sanding and rinsing the tank, let it dry for 12 to 24 hours. To apply the sealant, you'll need a chemically resistant apron, safety glasses, chemically resistant gloves, a respirator mask and appropriate cartridges, an all-purpose pump sprayer, Miracle brand Impregnator sealer, abrasive discs, and some rags. It's very important to block all tank openings and prevent any sealant from getting inside the tank. Use circular motions to apply the 511 Impregnator sealer with a soft cloth. And once the tank is covered in sealant, use a dry cloth to remove any excess. Now let the tank dry for 12 to 24 hours. Next, we'll apply a different type of sealant. For this step, you'll need the apron, the safety glasses, the chemically resistant gloves, the respirator mask and appropriate cartridges, the all-purpose pump sprayer, and Aqua Mix Enrich and Seal. You'll also need the sander, abrasive discs, and rags. First, completely coat the bottom half of your tank with Enrich and Seal sealant. Then wipe off all excess sealant. Pay close attention to the areas around tank fittings. Thoroughly dry the bottom half of the tank with clean rags. Now apply the Enrich and Seal sealant to the top half of the tank. Once the tank is covered, scrub the surface with abrasive pads and then remove all excess sealant with a dry cloth. Allow the tank to dry for 12 to 24 hours, then repeat step 3 with a second coat of Enrich and Seal. After letting the second coat of Enrich and Seal dry for another 12 to 24 hours, your tank should look like new again.